Hi, it's Kaylin, and today I'm going to be doing the no hands challenge.
As you can see, she duct taped her hands. Now she will try to brush her hair.
Once.
No.
There we go.
Just a little naughty.
Thumbs up. Okay, next I have to brush my teeth.
Well, wouldn't you want to eat a meal first before you brush your teeth?
No, stop. I'm not going to do that. Ugh, soggy.
What are you doing?
Nothing.
What happened?
I'm doing her hair.
Sorry, guys. Okay,
Do we live in a barn?
No.
What's on the floor? What is she doing that she doesn't want me to see? Don't lie. What he's doing?
He's doing this no hand contest.
What?
No hand contest.
Meaning?
But her hands are duct taped.
I saw the duct tape was out. I should have figured something funny was happening.
What, like I duct taped her and killed her?